Hey, Sarah, how did the glitter guy get its name?
Ooh, the glitter guy's name. Okay, so we had already got the glitter on the way and we knew crunch time was coming. We had to come up with a name. We had a name, and for the life of me, Jason might remember, but I can't remember what it was. It was something really silly, like, I don't know, like super sparkle shimmer or something like that. And it just wasn't sitting well with us, and Jason knew, like, we probably had to have like a girlier name. So we were looking towards that, and we are in a truck club, Grounded for Life, and we met up with them to do axe throwing one night. And we're sitting there, we're telling all our friends, and Jason's telling all the boys, like, I'm gonna sell glitter. And the guys are like, oh, you're gonna sell glitter. And we're all drinking, we're throwing axes, we're having a good time. And the guy, Paul Lentz, who I would like to point out, did later on start making his own tumbler cups. But he's standing there, he was behind us, and we're all drinking. He's like, yeah, that's Jason over there. That's the glitter guy. If you need glitter, he's your guy. And Jason turns around, he's like, I really, really like that. And we have been the glitter guy ever since.